Plans in place ready for your personal touches on this almost 1-acre property. Property is located just half a mile from the beach, and you can easily ride a bike to shopping centers located in the nearby towns of Soquel, Capitola, and Aptos. Plans for a 2,304 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-story single-family home with 344 square feet of attic space, 2-bedroom attached 1,000 square foot ADU, and a 1-bedroom 500 square foot junior ADU, a 440 square foot garage, and 160 square foot storage. That's a total of 4,798 square feet on a .82 acre lot. Property may have additional development potential. Buyer to confirm with county. Come enjoy the fresh ocean air that blows onto this lovely property, while you enjoy the many wonders that this forested view with all its splendor has to offer. If you're looking for peace and tranquility without having to leave home, then you found it. Come relax and enjoy a picnic at the picnic table, or lay out a blanket in the picnic area located along the edge of the creek. Take a walk along the path made by the resident deer, or just relax as you listen to the sounds of the many varieties of birds singing. Watch the playful squirrels run along the treetops and throughout the forest while the deer gently graze along with the other native animals on your own private piece of paradise. Living on this property is truly like paradise on earth. The only thing missing is you and your family. Motivated seller. All reasonable offers will be considered.